Hi everyone, in this video we will evaluate square root of 4 plus square root of 8 divided by 4 minus square root of 8. Let's solve the solution of this question. We are given a square root of 4 plus square root of 8 divided by 4 minus square root of 8. Now we can write this as square root of 4 plus what is square root of 8? 2 times 2 times 2 divided by 4 minus square root of 2 times 2 times 2. Moreover, this is square root of 4 plus this is 2 times 2 is 4 and square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 2 divided by 4 minus square root of 2 times 2. Now we can write this as square root of, taking 2 common, we have 2 plus square root of 2 divided by taking 2 common from the denominator, 2 times 2 minus square root of 2. Now 2 cancel with 2, we have square root of 2 plus square root of 2 divided by 2 minus square root of 2. Now here we have to rationalize the denominator 2 minus square root of 2. To rationalize this, we have to multiply and divide by the conjugate of 2 minus square root of 2, that is square root of 2 plus square root of 2 divided by 2 minus square root of 2. We will multiply and divide by 2 plus square root of 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 2. 2 plus square root of 2 and 2 plus square root of 2, we have 2 plus square root of 2 whole square divided by, this is 2 minus square root of 2 times 2 plus square root of 2. Can we apply the formula a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, that is 2 square root 2 square plus square root of 2 square plus 2 into square root of 2 divided by, what is this? This is a minus b times a plus b, and we know that a minus b times a plus b is a square minus b square, that is 2 square minus square root of 2 square. Now square root cancel with square, square root cancel with square, we have square root of 2 square is 4 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 is 4 square root of 2 divided by, this is 2 square is 4 minus 2. So we have square root 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 4 square root of 2 divided by 2. Now taking 2 common from the numerator, we have 3 plus 2 square root of 2 divided by 2 square root. So 2 cancel with 2, we get square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 2. Now we will solve this further. We can write this as square root of 3 can be written as 2 plus 1 plus 2 into square root of 2. Now we can write this as, this 2 can be written as square root of 2 whole square, and this 1 can be written as 1 square, plus this can be written as 2 into square root of 2 into 1. If you focus on this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to what? A plus b whole square. So what is a in our case? This is square root of 2. And what is b? This is plus 1. So we will plug this formula, this whole replaced by a plus b whole square. What is a? Square root of 2 plus 1 whole square, and this square root. We cancel square with square root, we get square root of 2 plus 1. This is a very easy and to the point method to solve this question. Each one solve according to their thoughts, but I have tried to solve this in the very easiest way and shortcut way. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching.